Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. Trust that everyone is doing well. So today we are heading to see Amadred. We have a donor who would have donated a wheelchair and we are also bringing him some groceries. So stay with us and please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. So once we post a new video, you will be updated. Alright. Ready, Marcel? We have quite a few stuff to bring. It's not a lot, it's just that it's one big bag. How are we going to do this, Marcel? You're going to bring the big bag and the wheelchair? Okay, I'll carry the
wheelchair.
Hey, you gonna help puppy?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see how this go now. Oh, Marcel, give me the red bag first. Alright, that's me. Okay.
Should I put the bag in a wheelchair and run it down there, natural?
But the road not even did the ferry.
Alright, we can manage.
Wow. Alright, here goes, guys.
Amadred burning truck.
Yeah. Somebody burned the grass for him. That's good. I'm sure I can hear it, guys, in the background.
Look there, mind a step on that.
What is that? Oh no.
Nah.
Guys, we're not even going to tell you guys what we just saw. We just continue walking on our merry way. Yep.
Here, big sound I play.
So the other day we were quite busy. Oh wow. Then burn it go all the way down, Marcel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, run the house. Watcha.
What happened?
Oh, I walk at that.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oops.
wheelchair. Amadred.
Be far behind. I have to watch my step.
Wake up. Catch him in his sleep.
Amadred asleep. Amadred.
Amadred in his sleep.
We can wake you up.
Yes, sir.
Come on, sweat. You want fun?
I'm going to one, so I'm going to look well low.
You look better. What go on with you?
There, sir.
Fix up yourself. Come on, sweat. You know,
The
even that
place
happen.
hot, man.
God.
Cock already.
Place hot.
Cough up.
You ready?
Havani. Come on, put on cover up. Aye.
Marcel.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Alright. Person, you can help one.
Oh Lord. Amadred.
Ma'am,
Walk on with you.
when the rough boat boy, I have to hush.
Yeah.
The rough, but you have to hush.
I go to doctor Thursday 17.
Oh, you supposed? Huh? You went or you supposed to go?
I'm supposed to make a change to bank collect the result.
Oh, but you tell us now because you did get one different date to collect the result, and when you go, what happened?
Then say me come back did one Thursday. And you me have to go change the tube, say me just away. Then say me come back at 16. But the 16 on Wednesday, so me say me just go to Thursday, you understand?
Okay.
And see,
That's next week, Thursday.
yeah. I don't know if me can make it, you know. I don't know money can rent car.
I rent car or charter it, which one?
So me call it.
But you rent it, then figure you for drive.
Oh, I charter it then.
Yes.
Five man rent it, man drive it.
Yeah.
So that's the thing, Madrid, when you go and you get an appointment and then you go and then the result is not ready, then you have to just come back home and wait for another date.
Yeah.
And that costly.
Yes. Because we really don't have the money, you know.
We would not know that time not work.
It can't work, man.
Yeah.
So one of them call me and tell me so when I come.
So I can surprise you.
Oh.
Well, we know.
Surprise.
Oh boy.
I know, so you're not going away.
I can't go nowhere. Still there. And if the food is done on me there, boy, my name, you know.
You want no food?
No, sir. I don't know how long.
Your niece, they call me and tell me, say, you say I try to get to us, but you never get to us.
Yeah. Yes, I was calling, I never get to them. As me, I say, I don't know what I'm doing.
You think we forget you?
Yes.
Why should I think so?
I don't know, call them, I call them, can't get to them.
You're not doing nothing, so I just sit tight.
Why? So you eat since morning though?
Yeah, I eat the overnight food I may get.
Are you cook it?
No.
Oh.
But I cook and carry
Okay, so you get it.
Well, I never eat half all right, me leave liquor for this morning, you know.
So, Madrid, we bring some stuff for you. We have a donor who have donated a wheelchair for you.
Oh.
So see it right here, so.
Let me see it.
Yeah, go make you see it.
Oh.
You can heavy.
You can't sit down, you know. So this I can't carry your grown.
You can't pull it
on, so.
This can't come and grow on, so you sit you.
So you have to move that shit there out of the way.
What?
That dress that shit there.
Yeah, I'll make some space on the barrel. So you can.
You have to go try to get you around that room there.
Around there, so you want it?
Around that room there.
So you don't want it in here,
So
so.
you walk fine, so go to it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Give thanks.
Yeah. And we also we have a donor who donated Pampers.
Yeah, thanks.
Yes, so we have them in here and it's extra large, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man, so you have
You
two
never
big
get any someone put no foot pan on dirt.
The mat,
Yeah.
I remember, but no, not yet.
Many dogs. So me have to ask them for a fan too.
I want AC.
Oh, so fan me.
Yeah.
Like one fan.
Yeah.
Ask the AC, man, and if you catch a fan, you take your fan.
Next time we come in, we bring you a mat.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, there's a mat that we could take. I just did not remember.
Never remember.
Never
And if
remember.
me get to know me, that remind me.
You wouldn't remember?
Yes,
You don't remember?
Yeah. Because when I put on my foot,
The floor cool.
Yes.
You want something different.
All right, so Madrid, you have your tin food and
Yes, ma'am.
cooking oil, cornmeal. We bring your oats and cream crackers,
Thanks.
milk, yeah.
I appreciate thanks
Yeah.
very much. We don't have them.
And some of these tin stuff, they are fruits. Fruits in them here.
Yes, ma'am.
They can just open and have something when you not have to cook.
Pass it to me, sir.
Oh, Lord.
Just put him on yourself.
I do that piece of stick there. It look like you plan to joke somebody with it.
No, man. I can't do anything with the floor when I can't get it on this.
Wow. So it's who burn the place for you, Madrid?
Ma'am?
It's who burn it for you?
When I'm breading from wire fence,
Okay.
I ask him so.
That's nice.
But
Cause,
he pass it bad.
yeah, because when you reach up there, we say, oh, it burn, which is really good.
Yeah. Everybody may come into me. Because people come look for me sometime, you know.
Yeah.
And one blue uniform nurse come here regular.
Yeah, I remember she
Yeah.
never came here. She came before we.
She told us that she did come here one time.
Yes. Yeah.
And she live in this area.
Yes, he live just all the town.
Okay, so it's good that you're getting visitors now, man.
Yes, ma'am. And then she complain about the past, you know.
Yeah, too much grass, especially if it rains.
Yeah, so when you finish, you put this one right, that's up, right around that, around there.
That's what.
Namas man.
Oh, the wheelchair?
The fear man.
Yeah.
So we never get no shot for you, know? No?
And that me never remember, but you remember it, man.
Yeah, but we have to go hunt again.
Yeah.
I get your fear man if I have one little piece.
Yeah.
And banana. Who could I carry a banana come there, Madrid?
Oh.
Oh my God.
Our concern was to take these things down from up the road.
Yes, ma'am. Well, me don't know me will reach up that Thursday, but I try to see if I can reach.
Yeah, go reach. I have to carry around this before I pull out.
Yes. Yeah, right, that's a soap in it. Thank you. Yes, that they carry me around there, you know.
Carry around there and carry back.
Yeah, man. And we carry me up a road too, because I can't go through there, so.
Put it so we can see it, Marcel. May zoom in for you.
Door can open more.
It should be. Good.
See, it's a runway already.
Ma'am?
And I say a wheelchair running away already.
You can't open no wider, man.
That time must can open out more, man. We'll put it on the side and pull up.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. It come up, not true?
You know, man.
You're supposed to can, no, feel lucky.
I don't think so.
No, you're not supposed to can just go down so. You don't want to go lock up with you and squeeze you up. That's all. I guess you're right.
Good.
Pull it out now, see?
And you have lock on the wheel them.
On the front.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, man. Perfect.
Turn your front around, yeah, back to kitchen.
So the wheels, the wheels them not locked now?
Good, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Can lock your wheel, man.
Show him which parts I know, or guess when him sit down.
If I say.
Me know them man then at the hospital.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, they when you was at the hospital.
Yeah, alright, that's all.
Yeah, man.
Just, we are going to just shift a little bit and just take round. You want to try and make me see? Are you alright?
No, man, I can't try it.
When you're ready.
Yes. Okay, man.
Yeah.
Fix up. Yeah, man, thanks.
There's something in the bag to rub pain as well here.
Yes, ma'am, thanks. Can't rub my foot.
Yeah. Them say arthritis and muscle.
Take out the for me, or something.
I wonder which part they put. I think it's in that one. Hold on. See if I find
So
it.
something in the can eat now, biscuit, you say?
Yeah, here.
Oh. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And the white one?
Yes.
Don't worry about the color, man. Just bless you and eat it.
No, man,
People
can't.
they all over around and have food to eat.
But we did bring you that one already now. You had it, you remember?
Yeah, I mean, eat there how long?
But you did eat it the time when we come. You stop eat them now?
Yeah, brown one, you must eat.
Oh, well,
You're not put some brown in pan, man. Make it brown.
I'm trying to find the thing.
Due to the prostate.
Oh, see it here.
What 2 bags? Oh, thank you.
It's 2 bags, yeah.
I mean, this guy will be pain.
Well, we never know you stop eating that type of biscuit.
Pain, you go rub with it,
How?
you go rub with pain there.
My foot.
Because you can't see pain.
Actually, I can't feel it.
See the top open there. See the part that you just tear.
Yeah.
See the top. Yeah,
Just
pull
tear
it
out my
up.
box, man. Because I'm not going to use it back.
You can't foot them still up. This might help me.
Yeah.
No, do.
It should.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So I just see pain, just see foot.
Yeah, man. I'm on my back, but there's a spine. I must have work for the hospital, the spine, you know.
Yeah.
But falling, so them not do it. So they send me a man the Villar town. So I know which part they must send me yet.
Okay.
Until Thursday when I reach, if I reach.
Just so when you reach.
Yeah. For me that try beg money for rent the car, but the man say never have any. So you don't know when I don't know if I get it with Thursday, you know. That the politician man, the fat more him.
Oh, okay.
Because them with the MP since week.
Oh, they came to see you?
No, I mean it call him, he get the number and call him.
Okay, okay.
But he's supposed to come visit me when I see him yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell him now, say you want to see him.
Some more.
Talk more.
Yeah man, I don't tell him some more to see him.
No, he will hear you.
In here upon this.
Yeah, man, he will hear you.
Oh. So I don't know if he might help me out to Thursday, you know. But me don't call him back because he said we call him and remind him. So I don't call him back tomorrow, you know.
Yes.
Because I have one brother we work with him where I'm cook a kong me when I don't have anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. It looks like it's about to rain.
No, make it up with on my dread.
No man, he must top it on.
We have a sudden change in climate because the sun was really hot and then all of a sudden
True.
it
I
overcast.
say me one Likkle fans to tell me mother sweat.
The time hot, man.
Ma'am. Sweat.
You see it now, see you wet.
Chai say we can't beg them one from my Likkle fan. No care
That you don't know.
No care always stay so long as I work.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't mind. I want to say that spin. And give me a little cooling. So when me soon again?
I don't know it, you know, but you ask me every time.
That's fear question every time.
We don't know what you always see. We.
Come like soon I feel happy. And we get things, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And with you know, me get a word of encouragement and I laugh, I give me a good joke, you understand?
Yeah.
Give thanks to soon, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
All right, so guys,
Yeah.
came to see Madrid and you
Yes.
hear from him. It's been a little while, but you know,
Yes, man.
we got to come and we are thankful for that.
Yeah.
All right, so I want to say thanks to all our donors. Thank you so much.
Yeah, damn it. Me tell them thanks too.
Yes, man. All right, so thank you so much to our donor who donated the wheelchair.
Yeah.
And thanks to those persons who have been sending us barrels. We're able to bring
Yeah.
what I call the Pampers.
Yes.
Yes, we're able to bring those and groceries. So we thank you very much, and we pray that your store baskets
So
will never
something
be
like that
empty.
back can drink now, like
Drink?
like fruit.
You have tinned fruits in there.
Can drink.
It's to eat.
Oh.
So you can drink the syrup with the on it.
But it might be too sweet for him. I don't know.
Not too sweet for him.
That's true. What the
You don't have no sugar.
No sugar.
We carry some for you.
All of them run out, man.
We carry some sugar for you.
All right, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
You get the water out, no jump left me.
Oh, you want water from drum?
Yeah, them back there.
Oh.
So could I get that fresh, you know?
Yeah, man, I get it for you, man. I talk about.
Yes, down around there and get one to rub off. I can't manage, you
So
understand?
you didn't come back and rub it off again?
She's sick.
Uh-oh.
God, man, she's sick, man. There's a place that tidy up and the belly that spread up. Syrup, you see?
Uh-oh.
Well, God, in the vessel, smile at this time, you know?
Yeah, man, smile, man.
Yeah. All right. Blessed love, guys. Stay safe.
Peace and love, guys.
Yeah, I'm going to give thanks to my time I rise and see the sun. Although I'm in
Have
a pain. Yeah.
Have to.
Because my foot, them pain me hard, no, them swelling, no, man. Yeah, man. So, I don't know what Thursday may bring.
Yeah.
I'm putting trust in the good Lord, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
So thanks to all it, what don't bring on the coming on, you understand?
Yes, sir.
And to the down here and them.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks very much.
All right.
Yeah.
Tank full of water.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right. I'm a dread. See, you have
Is
your
that in my bag there?
Yeah, but
the other
I
one.
want
Show him.
on a regular.
Oh,
A sardine, this
a
is
pressure in that, man.
tomato sauce. A sardine, is it? The big old sardine.
What you say? The big
No,
one?
that, you know, I don't know if you want to eat off you one time. Don't you put it back? Try then I do away.
Take out the pampers and give him. You want the pampers closer to you?
Yeah, give me the
Give him the
pampers.
pampers.
Thank you.
And then you can put the bag the other way.
Oh, yes. So why not bag?
Huh?
Now why in there? Put this here, please.
I want the food in a oats and something.
Oh.
Cooking island and something. And this thin stuff, this is sugar.
Oh, yes, man. Thanks.
And then they have wheat flour in that, you know. The wheat flour.
But no salvation. Thanks.
So that not come in a barrel.
Buy half to buy that. Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you. Until next time, we'll take care of myself.
Yeah, man, you do the same.
All right, good. Thanks.
Alright, good.
Yeah.